As we go deeper into the 21st century, it's ridiculous to talk about technology without speaking of robots because they make life simple. Are you in search of the best robot that can perform complex tasks free of errors? Look no further than these top 5 incredible advanced robots in 2022. Starting our count from the top 5, here's the list of the best robots 2022. Number 5. Toyota's robotic butler. Toyota is best known for its innovations in the automobile industry. However, you probably don't know that the company works extensively in robotics and AI to enhance human lives. Their latest robotic butler is a robot you've never seen or heard of. It is one of the most impressive ceiling-mounted robots, designed to provide extra assistance around the home. It moves around the ceiling on tracks built into the ceiling to enable it to move more freely without being hindered by obstacles such as furniture and pets. What makes this bot particularly appealing? By not sharing space with its human hosts, Toyota's robotic butler is designed to stay out of the way to avoid collisions with humans. Furthermore, when the robot is not used, it folds up to the ceiling to take up less space, perfect for homes with little space. Toyota claims that the robot's design was inspired by visits to Japanese homes, where researchers discovered that limited floor space would limit a robot's ability to assist. Therefore, they provided a solution by integrating the robot directly into the architecture of the homes. Such an innovative solution. Kindly give a big thumbs up to Toyota for their robotic butler. Toyota's robotic butler is one of a kind, but it's nothing compared to Ameca, the world's first humanoid robot that will blow your mind. Ameca takes the #1 spot in today's video, so continue watching to know more. Number 4. Moley the robotic chef. If you use a lot of time in the kitchen cooking, you possibly know how stressful and time-consuming that chore is. Why not sit back and relax as Moley does the chore? Moley the robotic chef is a robot 6 years in the making, made to offer you over 5,000 recipes with its kitchen interface, clean up after cooking. Plus, you get to add your recipes. How amazing! Who doesn't want that? Not you. Moley Robotics, a British company, launched this innovative invention at the Gulf Information Technology Exhibition, introducing the outcome of 6 years of research and development by 100 engineers and designers and 3 award-winning chefs. The Moley robotic chef is what we mean when we talk about automated cooking. Why pay $826 weekly to a chef to cook your food when you can pay $338,000 for Moley, the robotic chef, for a lifetime? Number 3. Spot by Boston Dynamics. Spot is a 4-legged dog-looking robot designed by the American robotic company Boston Dynamics. Spot is capable of various tasks, including climbing stairs and navigating rough terrain with unrivaled ease. Spot supports remote operation and autonomous sensing across a wide range of industries. It is also incredibly intuitive, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Besides, the quadruped robot is small enough to fit inside. Learn more about your favorite technology and discover more inventions right on Nerd Bowl, the ultimate tech channel. For more exclusive content, subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Number 2. Beomni 1.0 Robot. Meet the most sophisticated and one-of-a-kind humanoid robot Beomni 1.0. Created by Beyond Imagination, a U.S. company, Beomni 1.0 is powered by AI to assist humans with a wide range of tasks, including medical services, manufacturing, and work. What's more, it is the world's maiden edition of a fully functional general-purpose robotic system unveiled at CES 2022. The bot resembles a human with a form that includes a head, shoulders, waist, arms, and hands, with opposable thumbs. Have you heard of underwater robots? If not, check out our video on Pro Robots Innovation. 5 amazing underwater robots to learn more about them. Number 1. Ameca. Representing the cutting edge of human robotics technology, Ameca is the most advanced human-shaped robot in the world. Developed by the UK company Engineered Arts, Ameca is the ideal humanoid robot for human-robot interaction because it was designed specifically with a look into the future of robotics. The most striking quality of Ameca is its look. This humanoid robot looks and acts human with realistic facial expressions. Also unveiled at CES 2022, Ameca has a combined total of 50 facial expressions and the ability to sing and make dead jokes. With each progressing day, we continue to see more technological and robotic advances. What we can't wait for is a world with robots as leaders. Perhaps the future of technology is pro-robots because of their many functions and autonomous automation. We need robots as much as we need to reduce human errors and increase our production speed. Tell us in the comments section which robot you're going for in 2022. If you enjoyed watching today's video, stick around to watch our next video on Pro Robots, Best 5 Most Advanced Humanoid Robots in the World. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.